This September, a brand new digital exhibition is coming to Barcelona, all about the renowned Catalan surrealist painter, Salvador Dalí. Titled Dalí Cibernètic, Dalí Cybernetic in English, the spectacle promises to present the artist's work in a unique and immersive way, using the latest in augmented and virtual reality technologies. The exhibition takes a look at the exploratory mind of Dalí, his biography, and how he delved into advanced topics such as the third and fourth dimensions, sacred geometry, quantum and nuclear physics, and DNA, which to him proved our species' immortality.
He worked a lot in the new technologies that could represent reality, and not just our reality, alter realities in 4 dimensions and all those things. So we needed to transform all Dalí's thoughts around that into an exhibition that can explain in an easy way, also entertaining way, how Dalí thought and how his art is meaningful today.
Overall, the experience lasts approximately 90 minutes and includes visits into a variety of different rooms with different displays, such as holograms, immersive big screens, and a virtual reality metaverse experience.
I mean, this is an experience that nobody has done before, not even, in video games or in other stuff. People, living a cultural experience at the same time in the same museum, but in the digital world, in the metaverse.
Dalí Cybernetic has been organised jointly by the Dalí Foundation, Exhibition Hub curators, and the Ideal Centre in Barcelona's Poblenou neighbourhood, where the experience takes place. Housed in the site of a former cinema, Ideal is a digital art centre that displays artworks with large-scale projections, augmented reality and virtual reality. The centre has had huge success with its original in-house production and exhibitions of digital art shows on the likes of Frida Kahlo, Claude Monet, as well as legendary photographers in Barcelona in the 1950s and 60s. The exhibition opens on September 20th, and tickets are already available for purchase on Ideal's website and cost €14.50 for an adult ticket, with reduced rates for children, seniors and families.